पोस्ट मार्केट एनालिसिस 11th ऑफ अप्रैल 2025 फ्राइडे। फ्राइडे सैंडविच डे था। और सैंडविच डे के दिन क्या होता है कि वॉल्यूम बहुत कम होती है मार्केट में, बिकॉज एज थर्सडे वॉज अ हॉलीडे एंड इवन सैटरडे इज़ अ हॉलीडे, so the day is in between and volume does not get created in the market. In such cases there is a high risk or there is a volatility. So देखते हैं कि क्या हुआ था फ्राइडे को। लेट्स गो इन द हिस्टोरिकल डेटा। 17th of April, that was expiry 11th of April. Let's play. So in the morning you can see
Hello, Ajinkya, just letting you know. It has now changed to Nifty is slight bullish. Keep an eye on the market.
resistance was at 23,000, support was at 22,700, which was weak towards bottom at 22,500. So in such cases this is a bearish scenario, but let's wait for the data to settle down. Now support is again weak towards bottom at 22,700. Keep an eye on this percentage, 83%. See, it is dissolving now, it is getting lesser and lesser. So this will create a bullish pressure again, and the resistance is weak towards bottom now at 22,800. So support is creating a bullish pressure and resistance is creating a bearish pressure, and market is going at 22,831. So market is almost at the top here, because this is a breakout now. And let's see in the morning what happened. See, market is already here. So this level was where the resistance was creating pressure. So this was 22,790, the value which is broken down now, which is showing a breakout. So you can see the support is now weak, strong from weak towards bottom. So ऐसे केसेस में क्या होता है कि सपोर्ट अगर विक टुवर्ड्स बॉटम से स्ट्रांग हुआ है तो वो बुलिश प्रेशर क्रिएट करेगा, और रेजिस्टेंस नीचे की तरफ कमज़ोर है, मतलब 23,000 पर रेजिस्टेंस है वो 22,800 पर कमज़ोर दिखा रहा है. दिस येलो बॉक्स इज अ साइन ऑफ वीकनेस. So this percentage is increasing. So market is being trapped in between. So in such cases we have to always wait for data to settle down, or let us wait for another scenario. See, market is traveling to the upside now. You can see here. As we can see, there is bearish pressure, but we cannot buy a put option here, because, or we cannot sell the market because there is no safer value now. The safe value is 22,975. Let's wait for the value, because if you can get many tops from here. Right here you can see this was a top which is breakout, market went up of that top. This 875 is the top, 927 is the top, but they are highly risky, because when you buy at this top, market has capability to almost go till 23,000 to 23,025. So this is a risk of about 150 to 200 points. So it's better to always manage our risks, always uh, take the trades at the extreme levels of the market, because if you buy in the between, your stop losses get bigger and bigger. So there is no logic in taking trades at any levels and without calculating your risk. So it is always better to always wait for the proper levels, which are the extreme levels, if you are trading for safer side. See, market फिर से नीचे आ गया है. What was the time? It was 10:18, 10:20. See, 10:20 market already नीचे आ गया है. See, now this pressure is decreasing 79%. As this is decreasing and the support is weak towards top मतलब सपोर्ट ऊपर की तरफ शिफ्ट हुआ है और ये प्राइस परसेंटेज कम हो रहा है, तो मार्केट एक बुलिश मोमेंटम भी यहाँ से दे सकता है. So what are the quick bottoms, or what are the immediate bottoms? What are the safe bottoms? What are the risky bottoms? Let's see in the put side. So this 22,750, 746.50 is a moderate value. See this. This was the value right here. So if this dissolves, this percentage dissolves, you can buy. You can buy from right from here, because this is a moderate value as support has shifted from bottom to top. और मार्केट ने वहाँ से राइट एक ट्रेड दिया था, यहाँ से राइट, और डॉट टू डॉट वैल्यू थी. Here the market went from about 40 points. This candle, this green candle is of 40 points, but the premium was not increasing. It was, I just got 18 points in the premium on Friday. So this was a slight against the pressure. This trade was buying a call option was against chart of accuracy, but this was, it was not that risky. It was a moderate to safe trade, but the pressure was from the upper side. So in such cases we have to always keep eye on the this percentage, this week towards bottom percentage. If this is decreasing, market will move towards the resistance, but if this percentage starts increasing, this will create a pressure to a downward. So market can go till 22,690. So that was the most safe value. This was the most safe value, but एक रिस्क तो बनता है, और market gave a good recovery from there. So now you can see this percentage started increasing here, slight, this 5,79,080, this 22,900 पर मार्केट वीक टुवर्ड्स बॉटम होने की तैयारी कर रहा था, क्योंकि यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम क्रिएट होने लगी थी बहुत तेज़ी से, एंड मार्केट इट वाज, द वैल्यू वाज 22,892.97 समथिंग ना. So you can see here, this was the day high. I already predicted this high. So on Friday I updated my Instagram story that market might fall right from here. This was the top. ये दिख रहा था कि यहाँ से ऊपर तो नहीं दिख रहा है मार्केट का, क्योंकि रेजिस्टेंस पूरी तरह से प्रेशर क्रिएट किया हुआ था. 22,800 पर भी प्रेशर क्रिएट था, और 22,900 पर वॉल्यूम इंक्रीजिंग थी. सो दिस वाज क्रिएटिंग अ bearish pressure right from the top. So this was a good trade, but market consolidated there for so longer time, for almost half an hour to 1 hour. So in such cases there is a theta decay or premium decay, so it's better to always avoid such trades. But it was so clear that market might fall right from there. See now, 9 lakh, and this is 737 lakhs. So volume is getting created here rapidly. So ये येलो बॉक्स यहाँ पे आएगा, और येलो बॉक्स जब यहाँ पे आएगा 22,900 पे, तो मार्केट 901 902 से गिरना चाहिए. सो दैट वाज द वैल्यू 901 902. यू कैन सी 22,912. दिस वाज द प्रोबेबल वैल्यू. This was the moderate risky top for that day, and you can see that the fall that was resulted due to the tariffs, it got recovered, everything got recovered. So this was the day the market recovered so quickly in just 2 to 3 days. You can see it's already now 22,844 something. It was a 300 to 400 points gap up that day on Friday. See ये 8 lakh हो रहा है, देखिए 8 lakh 90, 91, 92. This is increasing rapidly. So this yellow box will come here and it will create pressure right from the top side. and market is standing right here 892, 901, 902. Here somewhere market was consolidated. सो इसके इन्हीं ऊपर जाएगा ऐसा कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था, क्योंकि सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस बहुत प्रेशर क्रिएट किया हुआ था. So this is coming closer and closer, you can see at 1 p.m. 110 something. So here something here. Yeah, this was the last candle. From here the breakdown came. You can see now this yellow box, this weakness will come right here. और ऐसे केसेस में मार्केट कहाँ तक जा सकता है, रेंज मार्केट की एज सपोर्ट एज शिफ्टेड फ्रॉम बॉटम टू टॉप, मार्केट यूएस तक जा सकता है, मतलब 22,750 तक जा सकता है. सो दैट वाज द बॉटम ऑफ द मार्केट एंड दिस वाज द टॉप ऑफ द मार्केट. So you can see it is getting closer now. See 48, 51. See yellow box came right here now 22,900 पर. जो प्रेशर यहाँ पर मार्केट बना रहा था वो प्रेशर, दिस वैल्यू इट इज़ मेकिंग क्रिएटिंग प्रेशर राइट हियर 22,890-98. और मार्केट वहाँ से नीचे चला भी गया, एक डाइवर्जन दे भी दिया तब तक मार्केट यहाँ पर पहुँच भी गया था. व्हाट वाज द टाइम? इट वाज 151. सो 151 पे मार्केट यहाँ पर कहीं था और मुझे वो फॉल दिखाई दे रहा था यहाँ से राइट हियर, बट ये कंसोलिडेशन था, इसलिए उस ट्रेड में टिके रहना में कुछ समझदारी नहीं थी, इसलिए we did not take the trade right from there. So that's all for the day.